Hello students, I am your Jahid sir and welcome to the Jahid Sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss question number 2 from exercise 1.5 real numbers. What is the question here? Write the following expressions as log n. What it means? This one is expanded form. We are going to combine that one and find their values. Look at the first question. Here plus is there, means here remember one thing, here base is nothing, here 2 is there, base in second question. Here first one base is nothing means base is 10. Okay, so log, how can we write this one? Log 2 to the base 10 plus log 5 to the base 10. In the middle plus is there, means it is in the form of log x to the base a plus log y to the base a is equal to log xy to the base a. This is the formula, is it? Now we can write here plus is there, that's why into. Here also plus is there, we can write 2 into 5. Log 2 into 5 to the base 10 is equal to log 5 to the 10, 10 to the base 10, and 10 to the base 10 value is 1. Okay, why? Log a to the base a is equal to 1. By using this formula we can write log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Now check this second question. Second question, here log 16. 16 can be written as 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, means 2 power 4 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Then write this 4. This is in the form of log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. This is in the form of this one. Now this exponent you should write here like this. So here exponent write forward, 4 log 2 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Here base and log value both are equal, that's why we can write this one 1 minus this one also 1. Why? Log a to the base a is equal to 1. By using this formula we can write, replace these 2 into 1. 4 into 1 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 value 3. So this answer 3. Is it understood? Yes. Now third question in this second Roman. Third question, what is given? 3 log 4 to the base 64. 3 log 4 to the base 64. This is in the form of like this, log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. It is in the form of this one. He given this type, this side, this expanded form given. You should write this exponent here like this. So this one comes here is equal to this answer, log 4 cube to the base 64. Now how can we write? Log 4 cube value 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So 64 to the base 64. Base value and this value both are equal, that's why this answer equal to 1. Why? Log a to the base a is equal to 1. By using this formula we can write this value equal to 1. Now check out this one, second one, fourth one. This one also same like this only. Here nothing means base, you should write base 10. Okay, now minus 3 log 2 to the base 10. Now again this expanded form. So you should write this one. That's why here log 3 square to the base 10 minus log 2, this one that side, 2 cube to the base 10. Now log 3 square value means 3 into 3, 9 to the base 10. Here log 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the base 10. Again this is in the form of log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. This form is there, we should write this form here. So minus is there, that's why by log 9 by 8 to the base 10. Okay, no need to write base 10. Why? Because if nothing is there means base is 10. That's why this answer becomes log 9 by 8. Is it understood? In second Roman, last question, what is given? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So take base again not given, so take base 10, log 10 to the base 10 plus 2 log 3 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Now this exponent you should write here. So log 10 to the base 10 plus log 3 square, this square you should write this 2 here, to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Why? This form log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a by using this formula. Okay, Nana. Now here these two plus is there, or write again here log 10 to the base 10 plus log 3 square value is 9 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Here plus is there, that's why first we should take these two. Means this is in the form of log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. By using this formula we can multiply these two, log 10 into 9, these two plus is there, so multiplication 10 into 9 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. What is the value of this one? Log 10 into 9, 90 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Again minus is there, that's why it is in the form of log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. By using that formula we can divide here with 2. 90 divided by 2 log 90 by 2 to the base 10. When you divide this value 90 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 1 is there, 2 5 ja. So 45 this value. You should write this value log 45 to the base 10. Okay, now you can write this 45 or you can remove this base also. 45 log 45 only. This one also correct and this one also correct. Is it understood?